fly press, and this is the equipment. This is the equipment which is required for making the washers. First, let me describe the equipment. So this is the flywheel, students, and this is the stop collar. This is the stop collar, and this is the frame. This is the frame, and this is the screw. This is the screw, and this is the ram, and finally this is the base. So this is the base. So this is the equipment. So now what we need to do is we have to take this galvanized sheet, galvanized iron sheet, and we have to place this galvanized iron sheet on the die. So this is the die. So die will be in the shape of the washer. So we have to insert it. So we have to place it on the die, and making use of this flywheel, we have to crush it. So once we crush the galvanized sheet, we are going to get the washer. So we are going to get the washer. So this is the washer. I hope you got it, students. So thanks for watching.